5, 4, 3, 2, 1, start. This original application is registered on the basis of letter petition dated 1/6/2023 received from the Residents Welfare Association DB Block Harinagar, New Delhi 110064 with the grievance that Indus Tower Company has installed a mobile tower in Tikona Park without obtaining prior permission to remove greenery and installed a permanent structure in green area in the said park stop. Further grievance has been raised that the elderly persons and children of the area are facing problem of humming sound of this tower which is coming continuously stop. Issue has also been raised that the tower is very close to the Tihad jail and is a risk to the security stop stanza. We noticed that earlier the letter petition being OA number 24/2023 Guldeep Bhatia and others versus Government of NCT of Delhi was registered at the instance of residents of F Block Harikunj Society, Ward number 10, Harinagar, New Delhi, raising a similar grievance that Messrs. Hindu/Indus Towers Limited had installed a mobile tower in a small park situated in Hari Kunj Society, Ward number 10, Harinagar, New Delhi. Stop. Since the issue is already pending before the tribunal, therefore, at this stage, we only deem it proper to issue notice to Messrs. Indus Towers Limited Commissioner, Municipal Corporation of Delhi and Delhi Pollution Control Committee. Stop. Let the needful be done by the registry for service of notice to the these parties. Stop stanza. The grievance of the applicant is grant of permission by the state government for undertaking commercial sand mining works in the guise of desalting works in and beyond the submerged area of Bisalpur Dam, District Tonk, Rajasthan, without mandatory environmental clearance and other statutory approvals pursuant to tender dated 21/11/2022 and for a period of 20 years. Stop. It is submitted that there was a provision desalting of dams, reservoirs, weirs, barrages, river and canals for maintenance and upkeep and avert natural disasters, provided the dredged material is used departmentally. It is exempted for the requirement of environment clearance. Stop stanza. It is desirable that the common question may be connected and to be heard by the same bench. Stop. Thus, we are of the view that original application should be transferred to principal bench to be connected with original application number 6/2023 within bracket CZ pending in principal bench. Stop. Accordingly, we direct the registry to place the matter before the Honorable the Chairperson with the request to transfer this matter bracket original application number 11/2023 CZ to the principal bench of this tribunal and to be connected and decided with OA number 06/2023 CZ pending in PB. Stop stanza. These appeals have been filed under sections 16 within bracket F and 18 of the National Green Tribunal Act 2010 read with section 31 within bracket B of the Air Prevention and Control of Pollution Act 1981 challenging the common order dated 18/5/2023 passed in appeal numbers 7/2023, 8/2023, 9/2023 and 10/2023 by the appellate authority constituted under the Air Prevention and Control of Pollution Act 1981. The above respect clearly reveals that there was utter violation of principle of natural justice and the order of cancellation/closure was 3 passed without serving any proper show cause notice. Hence it has rightly been set aside by the appellate authority. Over.